Let's talk about the debt ceiling and the effect that this is having on gold and silver prices. So, as all of you know, the US government declared that they shut down today, October 1st, after lawmakers failed to reach an agreement on a new budget before Monday's midnight deadline. So we have a link for you right here, a good article on Daily Silver Update. You guys can check that out for more information on that. But basically, the government said they shut down, and what was the effect on gold? It was down around 3%. It fell off a huge cliff, and silver was down about 4% right at the bottom of the decline. So what you see here is somewhat of a bounce after it fell off the cliff. Gold being down 3%, that's quite a big move for gold. It's now underneath 1300, which was a major support line. So now that it's below that, it could be going a little bit lower. It could even be going down to the 1200. If the hype around this, around this government shutdown thing continues. But the main reason for this video is to talk about the debt ceiling and the effect that it's going to have on gold and silver prices. So Obama may have to raise the debt ceiling all by himself. There's another article here on Daily Silver Update, just discusses why Obama might need to take executive action himself to raise the debt ceiling to ensure that the US government does not default on its obligations if the debt ceiling is not raised. So that is definitely going to be a sticky situation. But honestly, right now, if we look at silver and we look at what's been happening in the past, and I guess in 2013 as a whole, silver has basically been down 40% without any type of bounce. So from 35 down to 1850, it was basically a 40% cliff that it fell off of, and this is the first bounce that we've seen. So the first bounce was due to the Syria conflict. Everyone thought we were going to war with Syria. Then, since that was dismissed, since that that was taken out of the, I guess it was taken off the table, we came back down here to 21. So what I'm saying right now is 21 could offer quite a good buying opportunity based on the fact that we all know the US government almost has to raise the debt ceiling. If they don't, they're going to default on their debts, and the stock market is going to completely crash. And honestly, they will not let that happen. They can't let that happen. So the debt ceiling is definitely going to be raised. That's, I guess, my opinion. That's my bias. That's not, doesn't have to happen, but that's just what I'm going to go with. And the effect on gold and silver should be pretty good. So, I mean, in the past, raising the debt ceiling has always had a positive effect on gold and silver. The more times they've raised the debt ceiling, the higher the prices have gone. And honestly, it's kind of just like a recognition in the markets that, like, hey, look, we've already hit the debt ceiling. We just raised it 1 year ago, and we've already hit the next ceiling. So it's almost like drawing more attention towards the fact that the debt levels are just way out of control.